You asked and you got it. Winnie the Pooh is coming to Happy Planner. So I know a lot of you have been asking for Pooh products, and that sounds so funny, sorry, for a long time. And I'm really excited to show you this new little collection. This is not everything, of course. There are other products in the whole Winnie the Pooh collection, but this is what I received from the Happy Planner. These and all the other spring release products we're going to be launching on March 16th, which is next Thursday. And I do believe it's going to be 9 a.m. Pacific time, but the information will be in the description box, and my link will be down there as well. My affiliate link. Would really appreciate it if you would bookmark that ahead of time, just so you have it ready to go on launch day. I really appreciate when you use my links. It helps me out so greatly as a content creator. It doesn't cost you a dime, but it helps me to continue to have this job and do this for you guys. So thanks for using that. There are discount codes for you. I'm going to put them on the screen right now. So don't forget to use those codes because they are important so that you save some money. Okay, let's take a look at this stuff. So what I got was 2 Pooh sticker books, a Tigger sticker book, some paper, and an extension pack. Let's take a look at the paper first. It's going to be very quick. I'm just going to pull it out and show you. This is classic filler paper. And it looks like this. Always stay true to you. It is dotted lined, and there's Pooh in the corner. So you get a whole bunch of them. 40 sheets. Yep. Oh wait, there's more. I thought that was all it was, but no. This, look, yellow. Oh my gosh. Yellow paper, are you kidding? Okay, so this side is just like white. It says, let the adventure begin. It has the polka dots there. And then these dotted lines are yellow. They're hard to see, but they're yellow. And then look at this side, you guys. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I feel like I want to do a journal page and cover that up and just have like the whole thing be Pooh and be yellow. I'm going to do that. I'm glad I opened that up because I didn't realize that there was yellow paper in there, and that's my favorite color, so I'm really excited about that. Okay. So this is an undated vertical extension pack, and this is the big size. So this is great if you want to try out a big vertical, if you're not sure if you want it or not, you know what I mean? It's always good to just try it out with an extension pack first so that you don't spend so much money on a planner. Today is a great day to learn something new. Hi, Pooh. There's a map to the 100 Acre Wood, I think. That looks like a map. Oh my gosh, where's Christopher Robin? Is he in here? I don't think so. But still, love it. Okay, so here's what your monthly is going to look like. Pooh's up there in the corner. It says, wonderful month. He's so happy. In here we have stripes and honey pot and like bees and stuff. That's super cute. And then this is what your weekly page is going to look like. We have a very like Pooh colored box on the left hand side that says he's saying notes. Yeah, that's kind of cute. Although you'd have to match like that color. You could always cover it up with a sticker, but yeah. And there's Tigger on the next page. How cute is that? Oh, look, different colors. Okay, that's good. We have Piglet there. I see Piglet. And there's Rabbit. What's his name? Is it just Rabbit? I can't remember his name. There's Pooh again. So it changes color all the time. That's good. So that you don't have to stick to the yellow the whole time. I like that. Okay, so here is your currently page. And this is what most of the currently pages I think are going to look like this year from the Happy Planner. We have priorities here, 1, 2, 3, important with a graph section, and then aligned take note section. Pooh and Piglet are at the top, and Tigger is at the bottom. It's a good day to have a good day. Well, there's Eeyore too, and Kanga. Why can't I remember his name? I don't know. I should have done some Pooh research before I started the camera. That's what happens. Okay, these are all going to look the same on your weekly, so let's take a look at the dividers. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh, sometimes I feel like Eeyore. Anybody else? There's Tigger. He's saying, oh, it's saying this is what fun looks like with some polka dots. All right, and then whenever you have an extension pack, you're going to get the date stickers so you can date everything. You're going to get some month days, like month days. Oh my gosh. Some month words here. And I like that font. We have some little Winnie the Pooh stickers there. These are all in clear. And then we have a sticker sheet with Winnie the Pooh. Let's begin by taking a smallish nap or two. Let the adventure begin. It's a good day to have a good day. Let the adventure begin. We have a pocket folder here in the back with the stripes on it. Super cute extension pack. So yeah, it'll give you a little taste. And if you like Pooh and you want to try out the big, I mean, that's always a good thing to do. And in case you didn't realize, that is going to give you 4 months in your planner. So yeah. You know what I always thought would be kind of fun to do is like buy extension packs. They don't have extension packs for every theme though, but like if you were to buy 3 extension packs for the year, then your theme could change in your planner as you go along. I always thought that would be kind of fun, but I never did that. Okay. Whoops. Let's check out stickers. So I have 3 sticker books here. These 2 look the same. They both say true to you on the top. I don't know what exactly they're called on the website. They're obviously going to be called 2 different things on the website. One looks like, wait, is this like, oh, okay. Now I see. So this is the big True to You sticker book, and this is the classic True to You sticker book. It was hidden behind there. So I use the big and the classic stickers in the big, the classic, and the mini, and the skinny classic, and anything else that I use stickers on. I don't pay attention to the size. But if you want boxes that are going to exactly fit the big planner, you're going to want this. If you want boxes that are exactly going to fit the classic, you want this. I don't like usually the boxes to fit exactly in there once in a while, but yeah, so that's the difference between these 2 books. So we'll look at these together first. We'll look at Tigger afterwards. Because I think these are going to be pretty similar, right? We'll see. They usually are pretty similar. Okay, so this is what the first page looks like on both. Hooray for today. Oh, bother. I love that. Wonderful day. Positively busy. This is what fun looks like. Live life in full color. Always stay true to you. I love the yellows in these sticker books because, you know, yellow. It's a good day to have a good day. I love this. You could even write your plans right on that sticker. So cute. Enjoy the little things. There's Tigger. Oh, and also, excuse my voice. I'm actually getting sick, or I am sick, so ignore that. I know I don't sound like myself. I think my voice sounds a lot deeper than usual. If you're new to my channel, ignore that. Happy day. So there's some gold foil on this one. Love these moments. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be wonderful. Today is a great day to learn something new. Best times are ahead. I love that. So there's that same sticker. It's just smaller over here. And happy times ahead. Look at those. Those are cute. They can go like right on top of a box or something like that. Life is better with friends. Always find a reason to smile. Eeyore doesn't, but you should. Life is better with friends. Did I say that already? Probably. This one's cute. Life is better when you're laughing. It wasn't me. That's so funny. Dream big, dream often. So gold foil in here. Look at those little honey pots. Important, remember, take note. Oh, these are cute. We have some to-do lists here in the boxes. That says 100 Acre Wood. More honey pots here. We have these stripy strips here, which I like. And we have some down there on the next page. Yeah. I love the colors. They're bright and cheerful. They're like so me. Especially this color. And this together is like, I love that. And that green too, so pretty. And the pink, I don't know. I like them all. I don't like this one as much, but that's just me. Okay, choose joy. Enjoy the little things. Happy plans in the making. Follow your own path. All that kind of stuff. We have dot grid sections here on the boxes. Here's some graph boxes as well. And you can always cut these down or put something on top of it if you don't like the arch. Ooh, look at these. So this page is obviously the same. So cute. Oh, it's the same except the butterfly is a different color. Look at that. Interesting. So we have headers here. These are in gold foil. Best day ever. Busy day ahead. Dream bigger. Family time. And then some of the longer box stickers here. Okay, more long box stickers for your sidebar. There's that rabbit. I should have paused the camera and looked up his name. I'm going to kick myself when I remember it. There's Owl. I think his name's just Owl. Look at that little cute strip with Pooh on it and the stripes. So cute. And sometimes I really like these shaded boxes. I think they add a little fun touch to your page, depending on the look you're going for. Worry less, laugh more. Tiggers are wonderful things. Lots of these little flags here. I love these for pops of color in different parts of your spread, especially when I'm filling them out during the week. And I have a little space to fill up. I love using these. Got my head in the clouds. That's so cute. Enjoy the little things. Always something going on. Let the adventure begin. Wonderful days ahead. Flowers are such friendly things. Live life in full color. These are your monthly boxes here. And more monthly boxes. These have gold foil on them. Okay, so here's some bigger boxes here, and this is what fun looks like. Yeah. Look at this. The best things. That's so cute. Those little signs. That's adorable. Whoops. Did I miss a page? Yes. All right. Believe in your dreams. Do what makes you happy. Such cute signs here. Life is an adventure. Wonderful days are ahead. Always be true to you. Stuff like that. We have these little circles here. They say things like, enjoy the little things. Live life in full color. Positively busy. Make today amazing. These are on clear sticker paper. And I love that they gave us days of the week so that we can jazz up the tops of the spread. So you can either cover up the days of the week at the top of your page with like whiteout or label paper or something and put these down, or you can use these for like in another way, like in a happy notes or something for, if you're doing bullet journaling, or you can just put them on the day, like underneath, you know what I mean? You can do whatever, but these are cute. I like them. Okay, these are also on clear. Life is better with friends. All the friends are there. And we have a Tigger page. Both of these are the same. Also on clear. These are all going to be on clear coming up. Lots of Tiggers for you. And lots of Poohs. I love him in the honey pot. Where was this when I made that Pooh spread for Gianna back in the summertime? I had to print those out. Actually, that turned out really cute, though. Okay, so there's the rest of the cast of characters, except for Piglet. Where's Piglet? Wait, was he on this page? Did I miss him? Uh-oh. Where's Piglet? That doesn't seem right. Maybe he has another page. Okay, well, here's a page with Pooh and Piglet, so they're best friends. So I guess, like, there's little piglets on here, so that makes up for it, right? There's a whole page of Kanga and Roo. And here's some bigger characters here with the gold foil. Whoops. And more. These are all of Pooh. He's like going away with the balloon. He's got the honey pot. All that kind of good stuff. Here we have more of the characters. Oh, there's Christopher Robin. I was wondering if he was going to show up in this book. He only has like a little cameo in the back of the book. Poor Christopher Robin. Although he really isn't a main character, is he? But anyway, yeah. Okay, so that is that. Those are really cute. I like those. Let's check out the Tigger sticker book. This one is, wait, what's this one called? Wonderful Things Tigger. It's a weird name. Okay. Tiggaer. Wait, is that like part of the show or the movie or the story? Ti double G. Oh, Ti double. I don't know how you say it. Sorry. Look at Bouncy Bouncy. That's so cute. Look at that. That is adorable. The wonderful thing about Tiggers. That's what they should have called this. Maybe they just couldn't fit it on there. Look at him bouncing. Wonderful days. Let the adventure begin. Do what makes you happy. Oh, oh. Ooh, ooh. Does he say that? I don't even know. Make today amazing. I haven't seen a Winnie the Pooh show in a really long time. Life is better with friends. Okay, those are unclear, and so is this. I know ta-ta for now. Only one. Only one. Dream big. Bouncy. And that. These are really big, and I love them. Orange everywhere. Plan. It doesn't say that. I'm saying that. Plan your dreams. Do what makes you happy. The best day. Choose joy. Look at that one. Dream big. That is so cute. The foil is like orange foil, which I haven't seen. It's almost like copper foil, but it's like a dark orange. Super cute. Busy days ahead. Look, a little bouncy strip, like a boing. This way to adventure. This is on clear paper. A bunch of Tiggers here. Look, he crossed out the honey pot. The bounces, the little springs. Love that. Look at these. These are cute. That's really cute. More Tiggers. Love that one. Dream big. Wonderful days ahead. Family day. Remember to do important. Some sidebar boxes for you or in the middle of your spread, whatever. Think happy thoughts. Best day ever. Lots of headers here for you. Holiday fun, special day. I love like the sketchy drawing. Look at, I love the little arrows too. They're fun. Lots of these. So you're going to get like long box stickers that are curved on the edges, which is a kind of a fun look. I like these ones better than the ones that are just arched on the top for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, today errands important to do. Remember, family day and day off. These have that orange foil. Hooray for today. Wonderful day. Positively busy. Yeah, those. And then little flags over here. Look at those. I don't know why. This sticker book's falling apart, and I do not know why. That does not usually happen. These are so cute. Look how cute those are. I love that. So you get 2 pages of those. And then some regular boxes here with that graph paper on it. It says today, love the weekend to do. Get a couple pages of those. This is really not doing well, this sticker book. I don't know what's happening. That's the first time that's ever happened to me. Okay, so we have like graph paper here. It's very hard to see. This is like a pale yellow, kind of, and that's like a gray with gold foil letters on them. Wonderful day, best day, stuff like that. And then these are on clear paper. Special day, holiday, birthday. This month looks bright. Wonderful days are ahead. Dream big. Another page without the foil. And then, whoa. And then little flags. Lots of little flags for you in those colors. Super fun. And then we have like a page of circles with Tigger in the background. They're so fun. I like those. You could totally like overlap them and write your plans in. Fun sticker book. And I don't know why it's falling apart, but it's a fun book regardless. Okay, so those are the stickers and the other stuff. So let me know what you think of this new little Winnie the Pooh collection. And yeah, March 16th, don't forget your codes, my link, and all that good stuff. Check out my playlist for all the other videos I have. And that's about it. I know like I'm starting to get slap happy because I film a whole bunch in a row. So if I start not making sense or repeating myself, That's why. All right. Have a good day, everybody. Bye.